Too many air fryers look interchangeable. Start with the Ninja Air Fryer Pro for quick heat up and everyday browning. Switch for capacity or budget. Choose by batch size, control, cleanup, and cost. For most homes, buy the Ninja Air Fryer Pro. Its 5-quart square basket suits routine batches of fries, nuggets, and wings without dominating the counter. It heats quickly, browns assertively, and uses physical controls that keep everyday cooking simple. The catch is that it can run hotter than selected, so delicate ingredients demand lower settings and closer timing. Skip it if you need gentler fan control, quieter cooking, or more capacity. For larger batches and more control, choose the Cosori TurboBlaze 6-quart air fryer. The roomier square basket fits bigger portions, while selectable fan speeds suit cookies, bone-in cuts, and lightweight ingredients. It heats slightly slower and crisps less aggressively than the Ninja, and its touchscreen isn't as direct. Skip it if maximum browning or physical buttons matter most. Also consider ownership cost. Replacement baskets and trays aren't available. For a lower upfront cost, the Gourmia GAF486 4-quart air fryer handles frozen snacks and modest portions for 1 or 2. It's a practical route for fries, nuggets, and other uncomplicated crisping jobs. The trade-off is less even browning and less stable temperature behavior, so you'll check food more often. Its busy touchscreen and loud alerts also add friction. Skip it if you want a larger basket, intuitive controls, or dependable results with delicate fresh ingredients. Quick split, Ninja fits everyday crisping. Cosori brings more room and airflow control. Gourmia keeps the initial spend down for smaller, simpler batches. Before buying, confirm basket capacity, available counter space, control style, cleanup expectations, warranty length, and whether replacement cooking parts are sold. Start with the Ninja for straightforward, everyday cooking. Switch to Cosori when capacity and fan control matter more, or choose Gourmia when low upfront cost beats refinement. Links are in the description. That's the brief. Fit, trade-offs, and skip if before you buy. Subscribe for the next buying guide.